when you kiss on a lady's neck, hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a story time. As you can tell from the title, this is about to be about my first kiss and how it went. So long story short, I'm gonna try to get straight to it. I was in high school and I probably was like a junior in high school, like 11th grade, and I used to do hair. Everyone knew me for doing hair and how well my braids used to be. So I used to only do females' hairs, right? So one day a guy was like, can you do my hair? So I'm like, I don't normally do guys' hairs, but you know what, let me expand my horizons. I forgot how we met because we didn't go to school together or nothing like that, but I don't know how we met. I think we met on like the Ave. There used to be like this hangout spot that everybody used to be at. He saw me, or I feel like it was on Twitter. But long story short, he wanted his hair done. So I was like, all right, let me test it out. Let me give it a try or whatever. So he picks me up on the Ave. He didn't drive or nothing. We took the bus back to his place. So now we at his house and he's setting up the living room. He gets me a comb, a brush, and all that good stuff. I'm excited. Mind you, I don't hang out with dudes like that. I don't go to nobody's houses or whatever at the time, but I was just excited, like, to do somebody hair or whatever. Maybe he could put his mommy, his auntie or whatever onto me and I could make some money, because that was about my hustle in high school and all that. So long story short, he sits like in between my legs and it's time to braid his hair. So I'm like, okay, let me start the braiding or whatever. So I'm into like maybe 3 braids and here comes this dude touching my leg. And I'm just like, wait, hold on there. At first it was all cute and all, because I was like, oh, maybe he's just like, you know, trying to get comfortable. So he's in between my leg right here. I'm braiding and here comes his arm, his hand like that as he's talking to me. And I'm like, all right, don't touch me, sir. Don't touch me. Long story short, he gets higher and he's like trying to grind up on me. And I had to tell him, like, listen, it ain't like that, because I knew he had a crush on me, but I wasn't sure. Like, I wasn't 100% sure that he had a crush or not. So he just like starts touching me and I'm like, don't touch me, sir, don't touch me. Like, we're joking around about it though. I'm like, all right, I didn't come here for that, so you don't have to touch me. And he's like, oh, you know, I've been feeling you or whatever. And I'm like, let me just finish your hair. You know, I came here to do your hair. Mind you, I'm a virgin. He knows this. We've been texting here and there for a while. I knew he had a crush on me, but I didn't go there for that. You know, I went there to do his hair or whatever. All right, this dude turns around and start like groping up on me. And he's like, starts to kiss on me. And I got a whiff of his breath when he got like up here. And I was like, hold on, back up. This is not that type of party. Like, back up. Like, and I'm laughing it off, so he's not taking me serious. And ladies, when you say no, try not to laugh with it, because guys do not take that no seriously when you laugh with it. So I'm like, all right, sir, back up, son, back up. Chill, let me finish your braids. Let me finish. Don't you want to look good tomorrow? Don't you want to look cute or whatever? He's just like, I don't care about that. And I'm like, hold on, I came here to do your hair, not for us to kiss. So he finally, when I was like, no, I really want to finish your hair, I kind of put my foot down. He turns back around and he's like, all right, I finished my hair. So we watching a movie and here comes this man again, touching up on my leg, just touching me. And I'm just like, God, please get me up out of here, because I don't know this man that well and I didn't come here for that. So we start laughing at the movie. It became like a little moment, I ain't gonna lie. So, but to me, it wasn't a moment. To him, it was a moment. He turns back around and he's like, come here, and start groping up on me again. And he starts to kiss on my neck. And fellas, when you kiss on a lady's neck, don't use too much spit, because this man was using crazy spit. My neck was all wet and it smelled like straight spit, like so disgusting. And one thing about me, I hate spit. Like, anyone could tell you, like my family, my exes, they can tell you I really hate spit. Like, I don't even like to kiss. Like, this traumatized me for a long time. Like, I'm now learning, like, you know, the enjoyment. I'm now enjoying kissing. I hate kissing. Like, all these years, high school might have been like a decade ago, all these years I never enjoyed kissing. I had about 4 boyfriends, and they can tell you I'm not a kisser. They'll start kissing on me and I'll just turn them down, or I'll be like, I'm sorry, I don't know how to kiss. I'll use the excuse of I don't know how to kiss because I'm afraid that your breath might stink. Like, this man's breath was really stinking, and it was so hard. I couldn't even tell him that. Like, so you know what I did? I got up. No, I was like, please stop, excuse me, I need to use the bathroom. So I used the bathroom excuse. And ladies, always use the bathroom excuse, okay? Because when you're in a difficult situation, be like, oh, I gotta use the bathroom, and the guy is not taking your no as an answer. Just be like, I gotta use the bathroom. So I went to the bathroom, and I was like, God, get me out of this. I'm like touching my, and I'm just trying, I'm like, oh my God, I stink, oh my God, I stink, oh my God, I stink. Like, I was smelling like spit, like a bowl of spit that been sitting there for hours. And I don't know if he had gingivitis or what, but it was bad, y'all. It was so bad. I couldn't believe that experience. So I'm in the bathroom, and I'm taking water and soap. I'm washing myself. I'm just washing, like, I'm taking paper, wiping myself down. I was so disgusted. Here comes him. Is everything okay in there? Are you okay? And I'm just like, yes, I'm fine, I'm fine. I had a little incident, I'm fine. And I'm just like, I gotta go, Jesus, get me out of here. So now, when I was done in the bathroom, I come out like, yeah, I'm good, I'm good. He's like, you good? I'm like, yeah, I'm good. I'm like, you want me to finish your hair, or I don't need to finish it because it's not even coming out right. It's not. And then he's like, I mean, you don't got to. Yeah, I'm like, I can't really catch your hair anyways. Your hair is kind of short. And mind you guys, this man was fine. He was so good looking, but his breath stank, and it was so bad, like such a turn off. And he didn't even know that. Like, oh, I hope a girl down the line told him like he has bad breath problems, because this man was fine, y'all. When I say fine, he was fine. Like, he had good hair, nice caramel complexion, very tall. He was very popular, like, just like, but no, the breath situation, I didn't have no gum to offer him, nothing like that. And nowadays, if I'm in a situation like that, I'll just offer the man some gum, because I don't know. Comment down below, how do you tell someone that their breath stink? Because I don't know how to do that. I don't know. I'm not the type of person to be like, yo, your breath stink, or your underarm stink, or nothing like that. So yeah, long story short, I got up out of there. I was out of that situation, and I pray to God I will never be in a situation like that ever again. That was about a decade ago, and ever since then I cannot kiss. Like, I just refuse to learn it. I refuse to do it. And yeah, if you see me looking up there, it's because I'm looking at my viewfinder, trying to make sure I look right. But yeah, ever since then it just traumatized me. It was a phase that I went through, and I'm still stuck on there. Like, you could ask my boyfriend now, like, I cannot even kiss. Like, just the thought of spit, and just the, ooh, I just smell that gingivitis smell, that mildew smell. I can't really explain it, but it was just a traumatizing moment that was just all over my neck. Disgusting. Ever since then, I didn't even speak to him anymore. I just cut him off, and I was just like, I don't know, I can't speak to you anymore. But we still like followed each other on social media and all that good stuff. But I was done. I was done. Like, I could not go back. But guys, if you enjoyed this story time, please give me a thumbs up. And if you had any bad experience like I did, please comment down below and let me know how your experience went. If you have any deep secrets you want to tell me, don't forget to follow me on social media also. So if you have any deep secrets you want to tell me, you can go to my Instagram and send me a message, and I will keep you anonymous, and I'll do a what would I do in that situation that you were in. And yeah, just tell me your story, and yeah, I'll tell you what I would have done different. or if I would have did the same thing. But yeah, don't forget to comment down below your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm almost at my goal, guys. I am almost there, and I cannot wait to just get there because I want to post more and more and more. I was supposed to do Vlogmas, but I didn't get to do that. But guys, don't forget to subscribe. Like, y'all be watching, but y'all don't be subscribing. Like anyways, I hope you enjoy this, and yeah, see you in my next one.